The IRT Flushing line turned 108 years old this year. It was the first subway line to ever serve Queens. Today, it's a vital service that moves passengers to and from Queens every day, 24/7, 365. Being the oldest subway line in Queens, its infrastructure is among the most deteriorated and decayed in the entire subway system. However, the MTA is finally investing in the line and is currently undergoing a major facelift with 7 different contracts working to help bring the entire line from Flushing Main Street to 34th Street Hudson Yards to a modern 21st century look. The MTA is also making some changes and adding quality improvements to several other stations not included in the 7 contracts, as well as further investments and adding safety. So without further ado, here are the 3 main topics I will be discussing in this video. The automated announcements update. If you rode the 7 recently, you may have noticed that the announcements on the line sound a bit different. That's because it is different. In 2013, the 7 line's announcements were revamped to add liveliness to the line instead of using the original announcements recorded in 2007. Since the introduction of the R188 fleet, the line has had 3 primary voices making announcements. However, a new update being rolled out fleet-wide is returning the classic 2007 announcements for there to be only one primary voice doing the destinations and the next stop is. These comparisons should help show the differences between the revamped 2013 announcements and the original 2007 announcements. The people who voiced these announcements are mentioned in text.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next and last stop is Flushing Main Street. This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next and last stop is Flushing Main Street. This is a Manhattan bound 7 local train. The next stop is Metz Willets Point. This is a Manhattan bound 7 local train. The next stop is Metz Willets Point. The next stop is, the next and last stop is,
The stations. As you've seen in previous videos, several stations on the 7 line are being completely renovated by contractors. However, all 22 stations on the line have seen some improvements. So I will recap everything each station has received and or will be receiving in the near future. At 34th Street Hudson Yards, the platform has received barriers. At Times Square 42nd Street, the platform has received barriers. At 5th Avenue Bryant Park, the station has received barriers and is slated to get an elevator installed as part of the money coming from congestion pricing. At Grand Central 42nd Street, the entire 7-line complex of the station has been completely repainted. 8 escalators have been replaced. A brand new passageway has opened, and the lighting in the station has been improved. The platform has also received barriers. At Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue, the entire station was renovated and has also received platform barriers. At Hunters Point Avenue, the entire station was renovated and has also received platform barriers. At Court Square, the station was renovated. At Queensboro Plaza, both platforms were completely reconstructed with a modern ADA boarding area, a brand new tactile platform edge, 3 brand new elevators, improved lighting, and will be receiving a brand new customer service center. At 33rd Street Rawson Street, the entire station complex is being rearranged. 2 brand new elevators will be installed leading up to both platforms. A new fare control area is being constructed. 7 stairways in the station are being completely rebuilt. 2 brand new stairways will be built. A modern tactile platform edge is being installed. New ADA compliant boarding areas, and the artwork at the station is being relocated. Several other improvements will be occurring here as well. At 40th Street Lowry Street, the entire station has received new lighting. At 46th Street Bliss Street, the entire station complex is being rearranged as well. 2 brand new elevators will be installed leading to both platforms. A new fare control area is being constructed. 7 stairways in the station are being completely rebuilt. 2 brand new stairways will be built. A modern tactile platform edge is being installed. New ADA compliant boarding area and artwork at the station is also being relocated. And like 33rd Street, several other improvements will be occurring here as well. At 52nd Street, the entire station is being renovated. The entire station limit is being repainted. Both platforms are being replaced. A brand new tactile platform edge is being installed, as well as an ADA compliant boarding area. New artwork, new lighting, new arrival information screens are also being installed. The station is also losing its second name, being Lincoln Avenue. At Woodside 61st Street Station, the entire station complex is being renovated. The station is currently dealing with severe structural corrosion, which requires key structural components to be replaced and is estimated to be completed by May 2027. Express service is still planned to return in mid to late 2026. The station is receiving new lighting, all stairways are being replaced as well as the escalator, both platforms are being replaced, low vibration tracks are being installed, entire station limits is being repainted, new wayfinding signs to the LaGuardia Link Q70 Select bus service is being installed, and new artwork will be installed as well. At 69th Street, the entire station is being renovated. The entire station limit is being repainted, both platforms are being replaced, a brand new tactile platform edge is being installed, as well as an ADA compliant boarding area. New artwork, new lighting, and new arrival information screens are also being installed as well. Like 52nd Street, this station will also be losing its second name, being Fisk Avenue. At 74th Street Broadway, 3 escalators were replaced and 2 elevators were replaced. On the Flushing-bound track, new third rail protection boards were also installed. At 82nd Street Jackson Heights, the station has been renovated and now has an ADA compliant boarding area, a brand new tactile platform edge, new artwork, new lighting. The entire station limits has been repainted. All stairways have been replaced, and structural improvements have been completed. At 90th Street Elmhurst Avenue, 1 stairway was replaced and another stairway is currently being replaced. The structural columns holding the canopy of the station is also being reinforced. At Junction Boulevard, the station was renovated and is now planned to get renovated as part of the MTA's 2025 to 2029 capital plan. At 103rd Street Corona Plaza, the entire station limits is going to be repainted, structural repairs will be occurring, a modern tactile platform edge will be installed, new artwork, new lighting will also be installed, and all stairways at the station will also be replaced. The station is also slated to receive new elevators as part of the MTA's 2025 to 2029 capital plan. At 111th Street, the station has been renovated and now has an ADA compliant boarding area, a brand new tactile platform edge, new artwork, new lighting, the station limits has been repainted, all stairways have been replaced, and structural improvements have been completed. At Met's Willets Point, the station was renovated and is proposed to be renovated by the owner of Citi Field and Mets as part of the casino redevelopment project in the area. Finally, at Flushing Main Street, 8 new stairways were built to allow for more entry into the station and ease congestion. The mezzanine was expanded and 2 new fare control areas were built, and platform barriers were added. Lastly, the R188 fleet. To combat subway surfing, the entire R188 fleet is receiving barriers in between cars, also known as the anti-surfing device, to prevent anyone from riding on top of the train. Time will tell though if this actually will work. For watching, and I will continue to update you all on the station renovation project as it continues. Take care.